How to connect Amazon Fire TV stick to my Philips TV on my phone right now. So in this video we will simply show you that. For this I will show you some of the genuine step on our presentation, that is a written presentation here. Setting up your Amazon Fire TV stick with your Philips TV is straightforward. So let's dive into the video. Plug the Fire Stick TV into your TV and then connect the Fire Stick TV stick to an available HDMI port. Now power it on. Once you power it on, you just simply have to plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet for optimal performance. Now, step 3 is simply turning on your TV. Use your TV's remote, not the Fire's TV remote, to select the HDMI input where the Fire TV stick is connected. The fourth step is to simply set up the Fire TV stick. Once you have turned on your TV and the Fire Stick, insert batteries into the Fire Stick TV stick's Alexa voice remote and press any button on the remote to wake up and Fire Stick. Now that is connected, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.